Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pressure washers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Greenworks 1600 PSI 1.2 GPM pressure washer. This pressure washer is capable of providing the best-in-class pressure washer cleaning solution to accomplish the cleaning requirements. It comes with a powerful universal motor of 13 amp along with different accessories by which you can accomplish different cleaning requirements easily. You can use this product horizontally and vertically to ensure better stability. With the flow rate of 1.2 GPM, you can remove all sorts of dirt and grime, thereby restoring all types of surfaces. In addition to this, it comes with a high-pressure hose of 20 feet by which you can reach a longer distance without any challenge. The soap applicator, which is included with it, is ideal for the application of soap and for cleaning all kinds of surfaces. Moving on at number 4, we have the WEN-PW 3100 gas-powered 3100 PSI pressure washer. It happens to be a well-renowned pressure washer by which you can remove all types of unwanted filth and dirt, and get back the clean surface easily. It comes with the OHV engine, which is capable of pumping almost 2.5 gallons of water every minute. It includes a hose of 30 feet by which you can clean far-reaching surfaces. In addition to this, it comes with the wheels of 12 inches, which offers ease of mobility through a plethora of terrain. It is believed to be a great choice to clean boats, RVs, cleaning cars, to name a few. The package is inclusive of nozzles of 40 degrees, 25 degrees, 15 degrees, and 0-degree nozzles for accomplishing the requirements of a plethora of projects, with different surface sensitivities and sizes. You can add detergent of 32 fluid ounces into the onboard soap tank for offering sufficient cleaning power. It comes with the never flat wheels of 12 inches, which enable the end user to move the product on a wide array of tough terrains. The axial cam pump can offer a superb spray, thereby enhancing the durability of the product. At number 3, we have the Karcher K5 Premium Pressure Washer. It is recognized to be the best pressure washers that offer sufficient pressure for cleaning tough spots. In addition to this, it comes with the patented induction motor by which you can enhance the longevity of the product, almost 5 times. The 2 wands which are included with this product enhance the pressure, thereby ensuring efficient cleaning. It enables the adjustment of the pressure on the wand. The detergent is capable of dispensing on the lower pressure setting. It features the ready-made pressurized hose reel by which you will be capable of storing and protecting high-pressure hose of 25 feet. Owing to this feature, you can unwind and wind the hose easily, thereby preventing the kinks present in the hose. The stability foot of the pressure washer is useful in creating a stable unit. The removable detergent tank which comes with this product that helps in applying the detergent easily. It includes the detergent flow dial by which you can control the amount of applied detergent. The N-core pump of this product is known to be non-corrosive, durable, and free from maintenance. At number 2, we have the Simpson Cleaning MSH 3125 Gas Pressure Washer. It is recognized to be the best pressure washer, which can be used to clean the RV's paint, cars, driveways, siding, to name a few, which provides immense performance with the least effort. It comes with the OEM axial pump, Honda GC 190 engine, spray gun, abrasion-resistant hose along with 5 different quick connect nozzles. It is equipped with 25 feet hose which is sufficient to clean the hard-to-reach spots. It is possible to attach the 5 different nozzles of the product to the wand easily. The range is sufficient for handling various kinds of cleaning requirements. Furthermore, it possesses a detergent siphoning tube. With the heavy-duty transport wheels, steel frame, and powerful Honda engine, you can clean any part at ease. Owing to the immense, powerful operation, you can maneuver the product on different kinds of terrain. It provides the best performance in severe environments. It comes with the pneumatic tires of 10-inch that boast of 4-ply construction which enhance shock absorption benefits. It features polyester braided inner construction along with abrasion-resistant polyurethane outer construction. Besides this, it is equipped with 5 different nozzles for different types of spray patterns such as low-pressure wide fan, heavy-duty pinpoint. Other prominent features of this product are pneumatic wheels, welded steel construction frame, axial cam pump, premium residential engine. And finally at number 1, we have the Powerhouse International Electric Pressure Washer. It contributes to being a well-renowned pressure washer, which comes with a bunch of features. The platinum model of this product is known to be mounted on the detachable cart along with 4 casters, which can be kept in a certain place. You can roll it freely to ensure effective cleaning. The end users can remove the cart and carry it to the project, catering to your needs. It features the new handle design, which can lock it into the place. It is known to be 30% more flexible in comparison to the past models. It is equipped with a power cord of 35 feet. In addition to this, it comes with the soft bristle brush by which you can clean the delicate surfaces in the blink of an eye. The foam sprayer of this product is capable of adjusting the amount of soap by turning the knob present on the top. Also, the external soap dispenser, which is included with this product, is capable of protecting the washer as well as preserving the internal parts. It is also an ideal choice for preserving the internal parts as the soap is not going to run through this product. It comes with the 2 proprietary nozzles by which you will be capable of creating a circular pattern for cleaning the debris. Thus, it will be useful in accomplishing a variety of cleaning tasks without any hassles. It comes with 5 different quick connect tips by which you will be capable of removing deposits of heavy dirt easily. It comes with the stainless steel lance along with a faster connector by which you can change the new tips easily. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.